Cześć, mam
Hello, my name is Robert, and today I'll show you how to select a single-phase heat exchanger. Single-phase means there is no change in the state of the medium. No condensation of gas or evaporation of liquid occurs. Click on single-phase. At this stage, you need to select a group of heat exchangers: shell and tube, brazed, or plate and frame. Cairo operates in such a way that different product groups are calculated using different algorithms. For example, you can calculate both shell and tube and brazed heat exchangers in a single selection, but plate and frame exchangers need to be calculated separately. For the purpose of this example, we'll choose brazed heat exchangers. Cairo will calculate from all the brazed heat exchangers available in the database. After selecting the group, click Next. In the next step, you need to fill in the input data. Choose the fluids for the primary and secondary sides. By default, water is selected. In 95% of cases, you won't need to change this, but if you need to select glycol, for example, you can do so in two ways. Either by selecting it from the extensive list of fluids available in Cairo, or by typing it manually. As you can see, at this point, you can choose from 3 different types of glycols. Select one and specify its concentration. Common concentrations range from 30% to 35%. A useful tip for navigating through the input fields is to use the tab key on your keyboard. This way, you can quickly move between the fields requiring your input. Next, define the heat source capacity and enter 4 temperatures. You can then specify the maximum allowable pressure drops for the system. By default, Cairo sets this to 25 kilopascals. After entering all the data, click Calculate either with your mouse or by pressing Enter. When you see the spinning circle next to your initials, it means Cairo is performing the calculations. And there you have it. Cairo has selected the 30 cheapest exchangers from the brazed heat exchangers in the database. At the top of the list is the least expensive exchanger, marked as 100%. An exchanger marked as 50% costs twice as much as the cheapest one. A good practice is to avoid selecting an exchanger with zero oversizing because the selection program assumes clean fluids. Once the selection is complete, you can save the result in your project. You can also generate a selection report as a PDF file by clicking Generate PDF and then selecting Download.
Mam
I
nadzieję, że
hope this has
pomogło.
been helpful.